Hi guys, welcome to online digital marketing training. In this video, I'm explaining about what is YouTube Short, which is a new YouTube rollout. It's been, I think, 6 days they started. So I'll explain you what is YouTube handle and how to use it. What are the requirements? Okay. So after this rollout, I started it. Now you can see here uh, at the rate ODMT codes. If you type on Google youtube.com/@ ODMT codes, directly you can go to my channel. So it's a shortcut now. So was this option was not there before? It was there, but with a different name. They used to have a custom URL actually. See, which is very big. At the time, I didn't get the option of the handle. There was no option, and I didn't find the small URL as well. So long back it is. So now in this place, the new option came called the handle. This option was not there. Okay, I'll guide you how to go here. So just here, then I'll tell you the requirements and all. So I'm going to my channel. Instead of going for manage videos in your YouTube studio, go for customize channel. In the customized channel, there is an option called basic info. Here, your channel name. Here, the handle option is coming. So before that, you have a custom URL option. If you already done, it's okay. If you're not done, you can do it. But now the handle is there, which is really important. So you can have your handle now. So I already had, but sometimes when you try, like I thought to have ODMT, but someone else already took it actually. It seemed like a domain name. If you already took it, you can't take it. It has to be unique, right? Try with the different numbers and different phrases, same like a domain name. So ODMT was not available, so I chose @ODMT codes. Now my handle is registered. Okay, so why? Because this is the custom URL, which is very lengthy, so people can't remember this. Now with the help of handle option, people, same like a Twitter, they can easily type youtube.com/@ODMT course. They can come back to you. Now who are eligible? Previously, even the custom URL also, if anyone have 100 subscribers, they can have a custom URL. Now there is no such thing for the handle. Anyone can have the even with one subscriber also, you can have a handle. Check the option whether it is available or not. Maybe they're still working on it. Some people might not get it, but soon they're going to reach it to all the YouTube channels. Now, how you can utilize this? See here, is reserved, your handle is ODMT course, and your additional channel URL. So this is also utilized as my channel URL now. I'll be sharing this link in the description. You can read that clearly. So previously, this was my existing channel. It will continue, but instead of using this, I'm going to use the short URL. So what is the benefit of this? So you will get noticed in shorts like this @ODMT codes. So people can identify you in a new way. People can tag you in videos while they're uploading a videos. They want to give credit or they want to mention you @ODMT codes. So the channel won't get benefit. So people ask questions like, where will my handle appear? So it's clearly mentioned the shorts tab, search results, comments and mentions. This is the main benefit. Even in the comments and mentions also, this is happening. So that's good actually. People can directly mention @ODMT codes. I have this question, I have that question. So they're pointing to you. So how will I know when can I choose my handle? So generally, this is that you'll get a notification on YouTube Studio, but soon they're going to give option to everybody. So why can't I choose my preferred handle? So a handle may not be available for several reasons. Maybe someone already booked it. So in that case, your preferred handle will not be there. You can do it. So you automatically generate handles provided by, so like use some numbers, periods, like see ODMT was not available. I use the codes, right? Like Obviously, this is a good option. I always train my students. Assume that you're buying a domain name called KFC India. Assume that KFC starting their brand, and their website is kfcindia.com. Okay, and because it is available, they purchase the website. But checking on social media also very important. Whether facebook.com slash KFC India is available or not. Twitter.com slash KFC India is available. Instagram.com slash KFC India. I never used to mention YouTube. Now I can use YouTube as well. So for this, there is a website called Name Checker. Here you have to find your domain name. So ODMT course India. So assume that I'm buying a domain name odmtcoursindia.com. Assume. So come back to namechecker.com and search it. Now it will tell you whether the domain name is available or not. Facebook, the handle is available. Twitter available. Pinterest, the same time YouTube, it is available or not. Correct? So if you have any questions, let me know. So I'll try to answer you. Thank you very much.